driving the old Dodge. It's back on the road. Man, this thing drives good, shifts good. It's staying cool. I did just start driving it, but I put it through some tests. It's just, man, look at the steering wheel. It's just such a cool truck. So that'll wrap it up for the Dodge. Everything's fixed, it's not overheating, it's running good, everything checks out. This is the final test drive, and he'll be picking up his truck later tonight or tomorrow. So this was a fun little project I had. I'm glad he brought it into me. I like these, I like working on this old stuff. A lot of people don't. I like it, you know, because that's when mechanics were mechanics, and you didn't need a computer to figure out the issues. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate all you guys. If you want to subscribe to the channel, helps me out. I'm trying to get to 2,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We'll see if we can do it. Thank you guys.